Now, welcome back, Lost Wrench Garage. My name's Greg. We're back in part 3 of the door card build for my 1975 Triumph Spitfire. We got the vinyl. Let's build it. Alright, if you will go back to the last video, you will have seen I was debating on either reusing this foam backing, which originally came on the door cards for the car. But I realized that they have this section cut out, so I don't have the right material, or this material, which I could go get, but that's just adding more to the cost. This is more of a budget type deal. This is the door card. We finished it. We finished doing the fitting and all that in the last video. And I cut a piece of the vinyl to size. And I'm debating on, like I was saying, either going flat to the wood, just leaving it smooth, hard, which that's what I was leaning toward. But then I grabbed some more of that batting, which you would see in last videos. I got three layers here, one bigger layer and one smaller, to determine on how, we'll just leave that there, on if this is enough underneath, which you do get that cushioning feeling, which I'm thinking I might go with one, because if you go with two, it's a little too plushy, as you can see. So I am still throwing around right now of either I think I'm just going to go with one layer, which I will be gluing this, cut it to size, glue this to the I think I might glue it to the card. I don't know if I want, I may try gluing it to this, because this is a felt fiber and it does stick fairly well to it, so it's not going to really move around. But I think that's what I'll do, because then if I ever need to replace the cards, this won't be glued to it. It won't be as much of a mess. So I think we'll go that route. Well, we're right here. I got it cut to size, vinyl cut to size, got the batting cut to size. I got 3M Super Double 77. I've had this for a little while. Hopefully, I mean, it is spraying, but hopefully it's going to do what I need to do. So I'm just going to coat a light coating on this side, and over here, fold this over. Maybe take some weight, something, put on there so it sticks to it. Flip this side over and do this side. And you want it to tack up for just a short bit, to where it starts to feel sticky. And then, oh yeah, don't take long. And I got it bunched up right there a little bit. Fingers are sticky already. Maybe I should have wore rubber gloves. Okay. There we go. That ain't going nowhere. Now I'll find my lid. I ain't gonna be needing this anytime. Well, yeah, I will be needing it here shortly. But now we'll set this off to the side, and well, might be able to just do it with the board. Should be able to. If I'm not that good at upholstering. I like it, and then I do some final trimming. I'd be bringing it up and around like it's already sticking because of that glue, which is some good stuff. So, and that's what I want to do, is I want to glue around the edges. So, but I need to get a smaller pair of scissors because I need to do some fine cutting to get my angles correct. I have the old vinyl to where I can copy from it, but I want to get most of this extra off right now. So that's the way it's going to be going. And I'll probably trim the, well, maybe not. I thought about trimming the batting, but can't now, that's glued. So I may just take it up to that edge like that, to where it's not, when it folds over. This is the inside, so we want the door card. Now make sure it's right, because that's the driver's side door handle. Mine's going to be on this side, so we are going to do it like so. Oh Lord, Greg. Messing up already. Just gonna make it. Just gonna make it. I wasn't thinking. That's the way we want. Okay. Yep. Like I said before, I'm just a freaking redneck out here in the woods playing with cars and motorcycles. Now I know I want to stretch that vinyl and get it looking good on the face of the card. we are moving ahead. I fought with it all the way around. I did have trim out where the holes are there, but I haven't done it anywhere else, which I will. I just got done cutting these to where you can fold them over, and then get them, and I sprayed some glue here already to get them up out of the way. And then I also did for the doorknob. It's just like a pie cut, you know. But, man, this stuff is sticky. I've been I cleaned my hands with carburetor cleaner. Works pretty good. I'm trying to pull it. Trying to get the I have to go a little deeper. Try not to. I mean, the thing about the this ain't critical because you're not really going to see it because the chrome bezel is out of the way. It will be that glue really sticky crap. Let me get this one done, and don't take much, I'll tell you that. Gonna need to clean my fingers again with that brake clean. I don't know if I'm gonna need to do, I might just do this anyways. But I'll have to trim that because there's a hole there for a clip. And again, you won't see much of this, I think. I am not a professional interior because this goes on right there. And I'll have to take they had staples in it, and I don't have short staples, so we'll see how that looks. It's looking pretty dang good. Looking pretty dang good, except for the little wrinkles in it. I'm hoping that because in the heat, the warmth, that it will they'll come out. But man, what a difference does that make to I am happy with it. I am happy with it. A lot better than what it was. A lot better. Now I still got to do the other card. In the quarter, you know, rear quarter, inner quarters, and the rear panel. Hey, but it is what it is. Well, there you go, guys. Looks a lot better. Holy crap. I'm just hoping that these creases, they come out. Hopefully whenever it warms up, we'll see. But hey, it is what it is. It's a cheap door card. I have in material in the wood for the backing, the batting, the pleather, the final wannabe pleather or leather. I have less than $40, I'd say, wrapped up in my, yeah, probably around 40, 35 to $40. So there you go. It's just the time to do it. Now I got to start on the other one. But I didn't show you guys what I was doing. I got the clips out. I just got into it. I just got in the zone and boom, 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 get at it. But yeah, it's looking real nice. It's this one clip here. There it goes. But it's even right along the top where I was wanting it. It still drops down a little bit here, but what do you expect from a hillbilly? But it'll make the car look a lot better whenever I get it out in the spring. It'll be worth it. And this wood trim, it just sets it off. And then with the dashboard, once I get it in, you're going to see the process. So you guys hang out and subscribe, because if you want to see more of this stuff and the build, then you need to subscribe. Thank you guys for hanging out. I really do appreciate it. As you know, I got over 500 subs now, but I need watch time. So watch my videos, you know. Go back and check out what I've been doing with this car. We're going to get on to the hardtail bobber. That's the next thing I got to do. I'm going to put the Spitfire kind of on the back burner and get on that. So I got to get that done, and we keep moving on. So I thank you guys for stopping by, watching. Leave a comment. That's a good way for me to find your channel, and I try to reply to all my comments. Give me a big thumbs up and not the finger. And why don't you watch that video? We'll see you on the next one.